Desalination is amazing tech, but what do you do when the filters get all clogged up?
Seriously, it turns salt water into fresh drinking water. It's a huge deal for global water security. Because those clogs, they're pretty much the biggest operational headache these plants face every day. It's called membrane fouling. Think of it like plaque in an artery, just slowly choking off the flow. And it's not just one thing. You've got slimy microbes, rust, mineral scale, you name it. If you don't deal with it, you're looking at expensive damage, or worse, a complete system shutdown. So how do you even know it's time for a clean? Well, the system has its own check engine lights. First, a 10 to 15% drop in how much water you're producing, that's a major red flag. Second, you see 5 to 10% more salt actually getting through the filter, not what you want. And third, it takes 10 to 15% more pressure to push the water through. Now, what's really cool is how these three clues can tell you exactly what's wrong. This chart is basically a cheat sheet connecting the system's symptoms to the actual cause. And that's key, knowing if it's a simple clog you can clean or if the membrane is toast. But here's the old problem. Operators had to dig through tons of manuals and papers for answers. So, a project was started to create one single ultimate cleaning guide for everybody. The result is this awesome tool that diagnoses the gunk and gives you the exact cleaning recipe. The main goal, as one researcher put it, was just to make all this information easy to find. So instead of guesswork, plants can now use a data-driven approach that's way more efficient. It just shows you sometimes the best solution isn't new hardware, it's just better organized information.